Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is May the 27th and I'm using my brand new Master Scalper trading system. This system has the Master Scalper, that's this indicator here, it changes colors from blue to red, and it also has the Super Signal indicator, that's the arrows that also changes from blue to red. You'll get an audio sound and a pop-up box like you see here suggesting to either buy or sell. Now, every morning I'm in front of the computer right at 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, looking at all the different instruments, and of course I'm taking a look at my daily trade plan. You must have all these tools. You must master trading with the tools. In other words, you have to learn how to use the tools. And after you do all of that, you will find trading easy and a lot of fun like I do. But like I said, once I figure out I want to be buying and or selling, I'll manually put in this white arrow. Now here's my daily trade plan. It's an expert advisor. It's running in real time. This is looking very good for today. There's a lot of buy trades, a lot of preferred trades. I love it because it shows me from the monthly all the way down to the 30 minutes, all the different time frames, whether it's either up, down, or flat. So gone are the days I have to manually go through all the different time frames. At a quick glance, say for example, I know what the daily, so it's down. And of course, the 1 hour and the 4 hours is just doing a bit of a pullback up on the 30 minutes. So once you understand how the cycles work, then trading becomes easy and a lot of fun. Now, if you happen to have any questions or you want to get your hands on this tool, well, just get in contact with me. So let's run a check on these trades. First one I did, dollar CAD, so just drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan, this white one. This red arrow is the super signal. It's a no-brainer. You know, easy decision to make, took the trade and away it went. And bounced around here. Finally I just decided to close out the trade, locking in, looks like 18 pips, paying out $131. This is another tool that I highly recommend you get your hands on. It's called the FibMaster tool. All you got to do is click on this tab right here. You'll go from the chart high or the swing pivot high to the low. Anywhere through here is good enough. There's your pullback. Hit entry 3 right there. And away it went. And if it hits the entries as a general rule, it'll hit at least 2, 3, 4, 5. And today it actually hit 6. And it can still keep going because it hasn't hit the ADR low. Well, maybe it will or maybe it won't, but I was still happy with the pip total. So if like the daily trade plan, same thing applies. If you have any questions about this Fibonacci tool, just get in contact with me. The main reason why it works so fantastic is that millions of traders all over the world use Fibonacci. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is crude oil. Let's run a check on this oil trade. Wanted to be buying it. Matter of fact, I bought all the rest of them right here. And also, you can take note, like my Master Scalper works on anything that your MT4 broker provides for you. If you can get it into the market watch and drag and drop it and open up a chart, you can trade it using the Master Scalper. So here we go. Let's drag and drop this up. See where I got in at. Now in this crude oil, it pays $10 for each tick. They're called ticks. Looking at the money, easy to see. I got 15 ticks. So from there to there should be 15. And a lot of these trades, if I stayed in the trade, I could have made a lot more. But my quota, every day I'm aiming for 200. And once I know that I have 200 or more, I just close out the trades and done trading for the day. What did I say? 15. There you go, 15. If I was in the trade right now, I'd be up 36. But I was happy with those 15, and that paid out $150. Okay, moving on to the S&P 500. This S&P 500, I bought it. Arrow from the daily trade plan. And everything was looking good. Qualified for a great way to trade. I teach all of these secrets, how to trade the markets, within the training videos. So here we go. S&P 500 pays $5 for each tick. So took the money, divided by 5. Calculator says it's approximately 47. It did a bit of a pullback, but my daily trade plan told me it was going to go up, so no brainer, up it went. What did I say? 47.4 actually. 47, there it is right there, 47.4. And those 47 ticks paid out $237. Fantastic, I would say. Wrestle. Let's check out this wrestle. Another one that looking good. Qualified for a great way to trade. Everything looking fantastic. Wrestle pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, easy to see this should be 31. So from there to there should be 31. After the pullback, as soon as I saw this arrow. By the way, have you ever taken a trade and it went some pips or ticks against you? Well, I have a training video that teaches you how to trade. I call it how to get near perfect timing entries. In other words, you're going to take the trade in this area is much better than this area, but I knew it was going to go up. I didn't care about the pullback. So in other words, I didn't freak out. What did I say? It should be 31. If I was in a trade right now, I'd be up 64, probably 66 now as we're talking. And what did I say? 31. Should be 31. There it is right there. 31 ticks, paying out $310. Okay, moving on to the next trade, the DAX 30. DAX 30 pays $3.75 for each tick. So this one usually is, I cannot do it in just my head, but this is the first time I've ever seen it at 375 here. So if it pays 3.75 or for each tick, so this easy to see it should be 100. But anyhow, I dropped it down to the 5 minutes because it's hard to get a reading. Arrow from the daily trade plan, super signal. So let's see. Obviously getting here would have been better, but this is where I saw it. Bit of a pullback, move up, pull back. I just hang around. If you hang around long enough, you're going to get some ticks. Here we go. What did I say? It should be 100, closing it out right here. If I was in the trade right now, I'd be up over 300, but in other words, I would have made 3 times that, which would have been about $1,000. But like I said, I was happy at this 100. That's as close as I'm going to be able to get to show you, but it's 100 ticks, paying out $375. Moving on to the next trade, which is gold. Love trading the futures. At one point, I had really struggled with it because it just moves like a lot more than the pound pairs in the Forex. But once you figure out how to trade it, and if you're in this game to make money, well, These futures, that's exactly what it produces. A lot of ticks, a lot of money. Gold, $10 each tick, so it should be 54.8. So I'll probably round it up to 55. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. At one point I was up approximately 95, but what did I say? Rounded it up to 55. There it is right there, it's close enough. 55. Ticks paying out $548. I can even show you this fib tool again. Doesn't work perfect every day, but you know, when you're looking at the charts, I know just by looking at it that the fib tool will work great with it. Click on the tab, you're going to go swing low to this point right here. Swing high, there's your pullback. Hit entry 1, and it usually will hit at least 2, 3, 4, 5 or more. But today it hit target 5. So obviously getting in here, I got in here. So you can only take the trade when you see it, but that's the way trading goes. And it does go all the way to target 10. Again, if you have any questions on this fib tool, just get in contact with me. Okay, let's move on to the Nasdaq. Here we go. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Everything was looking great. The charts, the setup. Knew it might do a little bit of a pullback, but it didn't bother me. So Nasdaq pays $20 for each tick, so I took the money, divided by 20. Calculator says it's approximately 35. Let's see if I can go find that 35. If I was in the trade right now, it'd be up 55. But let's see, 35. There it is, 35 ticks paying out $696. So another great day of trading using my master scalper. I knew it was going to be well over 200. Today's total was 301. And all of those pips and ticks paid out $2,448. So if your system's not producing, like my master scalper, I recommend you get your hands on it and don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now if you have any questions, simple, just get in contact with me. And all you have to do is look right below this video. You'll get my contact information plus a lot of other information. Now you can pick up the phone, call me directly, or you can send me an email. Now, I do prefer Skype, so I made a link for you. All you got to do is click on the link. We'll have Skype connection, even if you think you don't have Skype. And then at that point, I'll be able to answer your questions. So also, one other thing is, you'll see in the description 4 different packages. And I know for a fact that you're going to need a lot of education. And I can provide you with a lot of education. And another key ingredient that you will be needing is support. And in almost 20 years of trading, virtually impossible to find anybody who offers support. And I happen to know for a fact, if you don't find support, you will still struggle to succeed at trading. So after you buy from me, I'll also tell you some very important secrets to successfully trading the markets in a free Skype call. And of course, if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. I get a lot of traders ask me what's the difference between systems. Well, I put a different indicator on the top and a different indicator on the bottom. That changes the rules and how to trade the system. The training videos are better, and that means a better trading system. This is why you should be buying more education every 2 or 3 months until you find success. I still buy education 20 years later because I want to be a better trader. Now in the description below you'll find 4 different packages. Do charge $250 for each package. I have a special offer. If you buy 2 packages, I'll give you one of the other 2 for free. So looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. Of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.